going on, guys? One sec. Hope everyone's doing well. We're just chilling. Gotta talk about some hot stocks. We'll be up for a while. I promised you guys, so I'm a man of my word. How's everyone doing though? What's going on, guys? Sorry, turn that light off. Outfit of the day. We gotta get a nice sweater on. I think I got this like 2 Christmases ago. It's actually super comfortable, but I can't walk. I have to like take it to the dry cleaner. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Time zone. I'm in Central. I'm in Texas. It's 10:30. Doing great. I'm doing great. Young T-Dub on the track. Yo. How's AMC looking? Honestly, guys, I think I'm gonna buy some AMC on Monday. I really think I am. This right here, this 2 weeks of sideways action, if we don't start moving up on Monday, I'll probably buy pretty heavy. But yeah, it's looking very likely that 2 weeks of sideways action here. I mean, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. And what I really think is gonna be crazy is if it starts to happen again. I don't think they do the same thing. Oklahoma boomer sooner. Yikes. Yikes. Although I had money on the game, Florida versus Oklahoma. I had a spread. I had like plus 26 points on Florida, plus 26 on the parlay. That was the one that lost, plus 26 points in the bowl game. It was like a $600 loss. I would have won like I think like 2,400 total. It was crazy. Sucks. All right, guys. So let's let's start talking some stocks. Everyone's talking about Palantir. I'm so happy everyone got in. If you did, that was like the safest, best play. Honestly, just buying stock. I put it at like $2,000 in stocks today, so that was cool. I bought like $500 worth of Palantir at like 20. At like. Who the hell is that? I don't know. I'm in someone's Discord. I didn't realize. Wow. I don't like this Christmas music. One sec. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my throat. It's like killing me. Alright, we got some random chats going on, so let me answer some stuff. What are your thoughts on I have seen a lot of questions about this one. I don't know about who they are. AHT, I imagine the hotels will open post-COVID. I think you've asked this a few times. I have to look into them. Send me an email. Everyone's sending me emails now. I'm getting excited because I'm going to start just doing like TA on these emails. Chances are I'll start making some videos over some of these stocks I get in the email as well. Did you see solar stocks going blank? Going up. Did you see solar stocks going up since the USA? So Paris Agreement's a little bit old. They have done that. It's already been kind of priced in. It's already gone up. But Bloom Energy was one of the big ones I liked. It had a nice little bounce back up to like 33.5. You know, indexes did pull back near the end of the day. What the hell was that? And now we're kind of moving sideways, coming back down, right? So I still like this overall, but yeah, I think Bloom is gonna be a solid play. They're a fuel cell, I believe, hydrogen fuel cell company though. Any news on CCIV? No, but it's pretty much. I think it's a done deal. Could have room to go back up. Just be careful there. Man, I was gonna talk about something though. Crap. I totally forgot what I was gonna talk about. Dang it. I'm pissed about this. Dang it, guys. I don't know. I was gonna say crap. I love AMC though. Looking at it, I keep coming across. BFT looks really strong. I should have bought some today. The reaction that we're getting to this whole dip and BFT not really dipping overall is so good. Like, man, that's beautiful. Looks so strong. Everything that I grabbed, like longer term, looks really good. I grabbed some Corsair either today or yesterday as well, some call options going into mid-March. I love those. The fact that we broke below a lot, right? This range, and then we kept holding that $39 range. I love this. Any call options going into mid-March, absolutely love Corsair. Absolutely love it. Done deal. You think it's gonna go? You think it's going lower? No, I think it's gonna keep going up. I think that the deal's done with them merging with Lucid. I think the people that are announcing the deal now and saying like the news people covering it, like routers and stuff like that, those are big, very reliable companies, and they wouldn't like risk tarnishing their name. So yeah, it's looking very promising. Ever heard of NOU? No. What is NOU? So, okay, so this is the Canadian one, but I trade NMGRF because I'm in America gang. So NMGRF, I have a lot of them. I made a video on them a while back. Where I bought them was around $1.29. We dipped, we held. Diamond heads, love these guys. They're starting to trend back up. They're gonna keep going up one day. So if you got into them, congratulations. This is one of the best mine plays we have. Denison did dip from initial entries. Yeah, we did dip. But I mean, I'm not worried. Like I said, these mining plays, these are long-term positions, like huge upside. Just like I said, Sundial was gonna get popped to 175 on Monday, 195 plus 100% lucky. No, that's not what you said, lucky. That's not what you said. So, I'm all about being accountable here, guys. I'm all about being accountable. So actually, what you said yesterday was tomorrow Sundial was going up to like 175. We did, which, I mean, we did kind of like break up pretty high, kind of. But we did shoot down to that 120 target. Like I said, guys, this was a big support down here in resistance. I made a video like 2 days ago saying where I'd buy in. But I thought there was just better plays, so I didn't buy in here to Sundial today. But it looks decent. High tide, how's high tide doing? I didn't check it. Really bottomed out. I'd be adding some, I might add some more here come Monday morning. Really like it. Can you check fuel cell? Got you. Really beat up, but they're recovering quick. So things I like. Let's talk about it. So we got this pushback up to the monthly level. Rejected. I expect a rejection every single time on the first try. Came back down. Probably push back Monday. Hold it. I would look to add some fuel cell. Maybe if I want to play some options here. I think options are gonna be really nice here in the next few like days, weeks. Push back above a retest. I want to buy here, but I'm pretty heavy in clean energy already, so I have to be careful over leveraging there. What do you mean CCIV? No, I didn't say CCIV was over. I said CCIV. I think it's a done deal. Like I think they're gonna do they're gonna get the SPAC deal. I don't think it's over. I think it keeps running up probably. I think a better play right now no one's talking about is Neo. Like y'all are gonna see Neo start to run. It's so cheap right now. This is dirt cheap. Like there's so many good call options right now. I think Neo is a great call. I bought some call options on Neo today. Corsair is a great call option. I bought some Peloton call options. Look at Peloton. I'm loving these guys. Loving these guys. We got the initial push up, and then Nasdaq started to dip at the end of the day. I think next week's gonna be a great day for stock. Next week's gonna be a great week for stocks. UAMY did really good. Yes, UAMY killed. It did very well. I was watching it actually. I was talking about with a friend. This might have been a good time to enter. I don't know. Push below VWAP, didn't love it, but yeah. I don't know if about these guys. Check CT. I think it's CTRX, not CTXR. Is it? Yeah, it is. Sorry, my bad. My friend actually bought some right here. I'm not a pharmaceutical guys or therapeutics, not my thing really, but yeah. Hey guys, I really appreciate you hit the like button. It helps out the algo. I'm trying to get the growth going. I feel like we're getting like a lot of good people like on the lives at night for sure. I'm trying to pump some videos out tonight and tomorrow. At least get them edited so they'll be out tomorrow night. On weekends, I'm always gonna post my videos at night. They get so many more views. I'll have the first update on the 1K challenge. One sec. I think someone's at my door. One sec. Alright guys, sorry. Is the music kind of loud today? Let me know. It's kind of loud. I feel like it's kind of loud. Oh, okay, so see a lot of questions about Riot, SOS, Mara. Those are gonna do well. So Bitcoin's looking very strong, and I mentioned this. I've been mentioning this in the lives. So the reasons why Bitcoin looks so strong is, one, indexes were going down, the index held and actually kind of went up. And I mentioned when indexes started doing well or started having some type of bounce back, which we had a bounce back kind of the whole day until the end of the day, Bitcoin just kind of soared. So over the weekend, this could possibly hit 60K, to be honest. It'd be kind of crazy if we didn't. I think it's a bit late. Turn it up. Turn it up the vibe. Okay, turn up the vibe, boys. We'll turn it up, boys. PLTR price target. It's a long-term stock, guys. I don't have a short-term price target. I'm holding it. Like, I love that stock. I'm telling you guys, it's not even like at the tip of the iceberg of what it's worth. Look at Grill. I think I had an email regarding them. Yeah, Kyle Teague. I haven't been able to. This has been like one of the worst weeks ever for me personally. I've been so busy. But they've been moving really nice, and indexes are probably gonna soar. So high possibility this brand keeps going up. Just like swinging it. Like honestly, looking at it, like the fact that it's going up with indexes getting killed, I think it keeps going. Music not too loud. I can turn it up more. I mean, I want it more. Jesus. PLTRs to buy these prices long term. I bought some at like 27 today at the open. I made a video like 2 days ago, 2 days ago, saying I was buying it down here. No one listened. Some people did. Then we popped back up. I mean, anything under $30 is a buy in my opinion, to be honest. So it's solid company, guys. Like, hey, the dip was stupid. The dip was dumb. Sleep, it should. Counts as your income. Everyone is sick of GME, but should go doubling down. Honestly, I'm telling you guys, I really think okay, so GME doesn't look that good right now. It was looking really good moving sideways, but I'm telling you, AMC looks really good, and I'm not hyping it. This right here is insane. That looks so good. We get above $6 and hold. We run $7 quick, maybe $9 really quick. But the question is do retail start to get out? That's the real question. And I don't think they will, but we'll have to wait and see. So let me change the name to AMC. Let's get we need to get some more people in here. We need to get them hyped up in here. Okay. Let's clickbait them in. Right? You gotta clickbait them in. This is what I think. We clickbait them in, and then we teach them the way. Okay, that's what we're doing. We bring them in, we reel them in. What's that TikTok? Reel it in, and then and then we teach them the way. All right, guys. So we gotta get. You think Bumble's a good price to get in, man? I love Bumble. I love yeah, I do. I think it's cheap. Wow, I can't believe I didn't see this. I love what Bumble brings to the table in regards to value. I think it's very, very valuable. I think the data behind it, very valuable. So I'm telling you guys, I really do like Bumble. I really do. That's why I like Momo. I bought into Momo. I need to make a video on Momo. There's so many videos I need to make, but I have my son until Monday morning. So I'll try to pump some videos out between today and like the Monday. We'll have to see. I think AMC is going to skyrocket. I do. I think Monday morning I'll be buying at least $500 to $600 worth, and that's kind of crazy, I think. But I think high possibility it runs. The question is like, how far do I buy out? You know what I mean? Calls like kind of scary. Maybe give it on Bumble. I might I might make a video on Bumble and Momo, because honestly, neither one of those videos will probably get a ton of views, and that's how I'm kind of managing my time right now. But it's good that I'm getting, like, the fact that I'm getting brand deals and like the advertisement deals, those really help. So now I can afford to not like push videos out to like get like 10,000 views, you know? Like I can make more views, that I can make videos that I want to make. Does that make sense? So like I can make like today when I make INUV, I didn't think it was gonna get that many views, but I just went ahead and made it this morning when my son was sleeping, and I edited like when he took a nap out today. So it's putting me in a better position to like be able to create the content I want to create, because I don't have to rely on like YouTube AdSense to pay me, you know what I mean? So that's nice. So yeah, I'll probably make a video like on Bumble and Momo, because they're kind of similar. I think Momo is more valuable just with the based on the data it sells, because it's in China, less regulation of course. But yeah, so I'll probably do both. Zom seems like okay. So this is what I think about Zom, right? Zom had great earnings, right? Great news with earnings, trending sideways. Love it. I do love it. Absolutely. This is what you should be looking at. So XLE is basically the ETF of energy, based on like oil, Shell, like Exxon and stuff like that, right? This looks like it's gonna break out really hard. I really like it. And if you take a look at like USO crude, a little bit on the downside, I think it starts to perk back up. Just taking a retrace. I might grab some USO. I don't know. There's a lot of ways you can play this. The market's gonna bounce back, I think, though. I'm pretty heavy into tech though, so I'm a little bit like shaky on what I want to do. How old am I? I'm 23. AMC, I'm holding on to 150 shares. If you're already like, and like this is like a lot of people come to me like, hey Tyler, I'm getting the most emails I get are actually about AMC. I'm like, God, I don't want to get these many videos, emails about AMC. But I mean, like, I think everyone's emailed me, I responded to, or I tried to at least say, hey, I'll check into it. Come on, Yolanda, what's up? Why you gotta be like that, huh? Why you gotta be like that? So like with AMC, like if you're already like, congratulations if you held this long. Like honestly, like if you held and we went to like $5 and you didn't sell like in panic, congratulations. Like you did the smart thing at that point. Now, should you have sold like at $10? Probably, but if you held past that point, there's no reason. BFCH, what is BFCH? Is that a SPAC? It sounds like a SPAC. It is a SPAC, isn't it? I don't know. You gotta tell me what they're doing. I don't know. It's not a SPAC. What is this? Interesting. I'm getting into pennies though. I'm getting into pennies. It looks sketchy as hell. Fredericksburg? What a website. I don't like them already. That website looks like I took pictures off of Google. I don't like it. Super bad. If you can't afford a good website, I'm sorry. It's scary. Can you... I think you said can you... What? Can you do BBW? Whoa, daddy too. We'll do BE first. Okay, so I'll go down the list. Bloom Energy, love these guys. Super undervalued. Financially, like if we go on the financial side of things of clean energy, fuel cell, Plug, JKS, Plug, Bloom has the best revenue. Right? So financially, fundamentally, they have the best revenue, those numbers. There was some bad news that came out like about, because I was going to do a clean energy video, but it was just too long. I didn't have time to do it yesterday. Basically in Norway or Sweden, wherever they're at over there, one of the companies kind of insourced the process of the hydrogen fuel cell systems, so it kind of lost their business there. But I think it's gonna pop. I think we're fine. So I had my original calls were here, and I added a lot down here at 30. I added a lot, like probably too many, but love them. I think we could get a push to 35, 36 pretty quick, and then from there, I do think we can make new highs. Just depends how the market starts moving. What do you think about DPZ? Is that Domino's Pizza? I think the crust is actually better than advertised. Earnings coming up. What day is earnings? I think we run into earnings. I think we run like strong into earnings. So we're probably gonna get a bounce on Monday around this range. I would actually consider calls right here. Sell pre-earnings, but with earnings, who knows how they go? They probably have decent earnings. Lazy. I don't know anyone in Texas got a 15K weekly electric bill personally, but I don't know. Maybe just find the company short. BBW. That's a legendary ticker name. I mean, they look solid. Is this like I don't know what this is. It has to be a meme. I wouldn't buy them though, just based on like, I wouldn't buy these guys. No wait, wow, their earnings are kind of crazy. That big support, like 580 is a big support. I mean, they're not terrible, don't love them, but yeah. Hey guys, make sure you hit the like button though. We got 113, 120 people in the chat. Really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow. I try to do as much free content as possible, go live as much as possible, so do your part. Share the love. Why did plug drop down? Sorry, it's getting a lot of messages. I'm not ignoring anyone, so you guys know. Why did plug drop from 65 to 50s? About at 18. First of all, the market been pulling back, like, right? We massive pullback on the whole market, right? So it's not just plug. You can go look at everything. Bloom, everything's dumping down. So earnings coming up, that's gonna be a little bit worrisome. Probably has bad earnings. Well, based on revenue wise, they're probably not gonna be profitable. There's no way they're being profitable. Hopefully their revenue increase quarter over quarter. They don't look bad though. Probably get a push back to like 64 pretty soon. So AMC to the moon. Domino's is underrated. I think it's better than Papa John's now. Unpopular decision. Opinion. Bloom is right next to me in here in Delaware. Nice. What do you think? AMC squeeze. So I think AMC honestly looks really good, and I've been mentioning this in all my AMC videos. And I was like, Tyler, why did you turn from a bear to a bull? A bull? And it's just like simply like I'm just like watching the chart. I mean, I'm watching the chart consistently, and I'm always like listening and reading for fundamentals. Now with AMC, there's only so many fundamentals you can get. And when I posted the video about the short interest stuff coming out, I was like, this is bearish. Like, we're probably not going to get any good news for a little bit, right? The only possibility of good news is kind of squeezing and moving sideways for about a week and a half. And we've been moving sideways for 2 weeks. That's like absolutely insane. This sideways movement, it looks way better than GameStop. GameStop's still going down. This doesn't look bad. If we push above like $6, I really do like it. I think there's a chance we get a push like to $9 quick. Now, the question is like, when do retail start selling and when do retail start getting out? You know what I mean? That's the concerning part. Will retail start to pull out? Because this is like I said, like the most held stock on Robinhood, which is kind of crazy, like over Tesla, Apple, and these other companies. So, I don't know. You talk about AMC only having 950K stocks to short available. Yeah, so like that's another that's another thing. Like the stocks available, insane. Like people like aren't able to buy it right now. It's kind of crazy what's going on with AMC. I don't see it dropping. Like it's so cheap right now as well. If it was sitting at $10, I'd be like, okay, this could drop more. It has room to go down. I mean, if it drops here, like basement price is like $3 maybe, like the absolute basement. I don't see it, like holding below that. I don't really see holding below $4, but it's just so close to that basement price in comparison to, you know, pushing back up. I really do like it. BlackBerry, not a fan, guys. I'm sorry, BlackBerry, not a fan. Real men don't pull out. Lesson learned there, buddy. Lesson learned there. Need to get that cough checked out? Probably. It's all right. I bought 1,050 shares on E-Trade today. Dang right, Chad. I didn't buy. So if I'm playing AMC, honestly, my opinion, I'm just getting like $500 and getting like 2-month out calls. That'd be my plan. Come Monday, we'll see what happens. It's a gamble though. Like I'll be straight up with you. It's an absolute gamble, but like risk reward, I think the reward pretty big. Palantir is going to move big. Palantir already is moving pretty nice from those bottoms at 25. Dude, this was the deal of the century, boys. I made a video like here, and I made a video here, and I think I made a video here. Deal of the century. It's still a buy. I bought a whole bunch this morning at like 27.5, like right at open. I couldn't believe it. I was like, I can barely get the move. So I had to wait for some money to get put into my account. I do love it though, because I don't want to like And don't worry, the money that I put in my account, it's not going into the 1K challenge. It's in a separate account. So I'm not gonna like tank that. The 1K account is down like 35% right now. It's down to like 650. So I'll do a complete update video, going over the losers, everything like that. Pretty slow, terrible week. We got grinded out. Did we ever talk about the outstanding 99.2 outstanding AMC shares? So no, I kind of have covered that. Yeah. So I haven't made an AMC video. I'll probably make the AMC video tomorrow, just so everyone knows, doing fundamentals, everything like that over that. So catch it tomorrow night, and then I'll have a live, of course. So if everyone's drunk and wants to talk stocks, I'll be here. AMC will go way beyond $9. I wouldn't be surprised seeing it hit $30. Okay, that's not what I'm saying. The question for me is, do retail start to pull out? Right? If retail start to sell, that's worrisome for me. And then the next question is like, what? I don't think Robinhood can do it again. I don't think they can just like shut down the platform again. I think they'll get screwed if they do that. So it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be wild. I don't like SESN bio. I'm not a real big fan. The chart looks incredible. Like, it does look incredible. Come Monday, it looks really, really good. But I'm just not a fan. Fan of naked. How are they moving? I think downside's coming more. So after, like I mentioned, I did talk about them. I don't think I made a video. Maybe I made a video. I don't know. But into Valentine's Day, get that pump, and then from there, it's just gonna see downside. Probably come down to like, man, wow. I don't want to say that. Maybe like 70, 80 cents. We don't pull out, bro. Hey, some people got weak hands. Some people don't have the stomach to not pull out. And I'm not talking about hands. Vlad was sweating bullets. Vlad stays sweating bullets, guys. He's not in the mob, bros. He's not in the mob. We still need to come up with a name for the channel. I want to have the best trading name that there is for our group of people, for our traders. We need to have the best traders name that there is. Simulation is broken. What do you think about optional I love UAVS. So the dip was a buy. Was I live talking about them yesterday or today? I know I talked about them yesterday. I love them. Personally, guys, I love these guys. I'm more concerned with E-Hang than I am concerned with these guys. These I really, really like. The worrisome part is that this was a penny stock. Like, literally, like, you know, in November, this was basically a penny stock. Besides that, yeah. I saw one pass it, and then I saw your video in stream. Then I bought in. That's called the triple confirmation, baby. The triple confirmation. Kathy Woods, Tyler, triple confirmation. Most investors are men, so you better believe we won't be pulling out until we're at the moon. Sundial. So if you watch my Sundial update video, I mean, it's kind of like, if you've been watching the Sundial videos, this has been like the easiest stock to do TA on. We've literally followed it to a T. Look at this. We literally boom, boom, boom. Like, we did exactly. Balancing at this 120, 130 range. Now moving back up. Has upside, I think. But I want to see it retest of like 220. I think Sundial looks really good fundamentally. Holding above dollar, everything like that. Looks really good. What time tomorrow? It's going to be late. It's going to be like 9:30, 10 p.m. again. I have my son, so it's pretty late. Yes or no, Vlad? Thank you for your question. I was born in Bulgaria. Yeah, PLTR, one of the best buys. I'm telling you guys, come Monday morning, these are my top buys. Again, I'll tell you my top buys Monday morning. We got Neo, still extremely, extremely low. And then we got Piton. Piton's a little bit riskier. Actually, no, it's not. Their earnings were incredible. They had incredible earnings. They had, I think, $1 billion quarter, or $1 billion year. Absolutely insane. I love these guys. Huge room to go. I think 148 is going to be the test. I had this one for today. We got to push like 142 and then we drop back down. I'm probably going to end up holding until like 148 range. I think we have massive upside come Monday morning though. Did I buy what dips today? There was a lot of dips. I bought a lot of stuff. Retail starts selling. We start buying them shares. Hey, he's not a cat. Who's not a cat? I role play. Everyone's saying Sundial, went over it. SANP. What is SANP? What does SANP be? Hey, welcome to all the new guys in the chat. If you want to talk about anything, let me know. I'll talk about your life. Talk about whatever you want to talk about. Just let Tyler know. Mining company. I love mining companies. You know I like mining companies. The worrisome part though is that they've made such a massive run up. I don't know anything about these guys. I would have to research them. CPSH. This is the the dog we need to talk about, because I'm still holding. I got in around like 21.50, so I'm like flat now. I had him at 27. I didn't sell like a ding dong. I'm holding because I have stock. I mean, you can't even have options, so there's no real concern there, you know. But I think there's upside. There's no bad news. The Mars landing went well. They have contracts. I mean, I'm fine holding the stock. It's frustrating. I don't know. Hard to say. This is the one that's hard to talk about right now. Talk about smashing that like button. Smash the like button. Get more people in here. Get more people in here. MVIS. I'm not a huge MVIS. I know you guys. I know who you guys are referencing to when you talk about these stocks. The chart's super bullish. Like, right, we just keep trading up. It probably breaks these highs. I hate trading this, right? And I think they have a solid product, but you're ultimately playing the buyout of the company, right? And I don't care to play the buyout of companies. That's not my thing. Thanks for looking at SESN. Yeah, no problem. He just said Sundial. You were in the chat. CCIV, please. How do you buy AMC? I buy it off of E-Trade. You can buy it off whatever you want to. CCIV. Getting a little bit of pullback. I don't think this run's done, to be honest. This was kind of the buy zone 51, in my opinion. Scary though. Premiums are expensive. It's expensive to buy, so be careful. Because Cinemark has a better business model and doesn't have as much debt and a lot of the problems that AMC does. They have a completely different business model. They kind of moved to that luxury end theaters a while back. Eduardo Hernandez. Everyone, if you smash that like button, you got a big PP. So go smash it. But what about the people that got the VV? I called my mom to tell her to watch your channel. She said I should go to bed. Your mom sounds like she's not invested in AMC. She's not. She got up on a Friday night worrying about AMC. How much money did I start with? I can tell you my starting story right now. So starting, I was like 18 in like 2 days. 2 days old when I made my first investment. I was on Twitter. I remember I was working for my dad, and so when I worked for my dad, he does real estate development, and so his deal with me was I could invest in real estate and do everything with him, but pretty much my first 2 years I had to do all the worst work possible. So it consisted of me doing demo, and when this happened, this was like right before Harvey. And like, yeah, like during Harvey I was like 18, 19 years old, I believe so. I don't know. Anyway, so it was just terrible work. It was like gutting houses, taking to the dump, project management. It was just terrible, terrible work, right? So I had like a good bit of money saved up. I just had like got my ex knocked up with my son, and I heard about Litecoin. It was at like $20, right? So I dumped like $2,000 into Litecoin, right? Litecoin, little do you know. And by when I bought it on Coinbase, and at the time when you bought stuff on Coinbase, you couldn't touch it for like a week because it had to process your payment and stuff, I guess. So like Litecoin was soaring. It went from like $50 to like 200 in like a night. I was like, dude, I forced my money in like a day, two days. I was like, this is crazy. I want to get out. And I got these tickets to the Rockets. I'll never forget the story just because how it happened. Like it almost sounds made up. And so I got these courtside seats, like literally like the nicest seats I've ever had, like right behind the Utah Jazz. This was when Ricky Rubio played for the Jazz. I'll never forget. He has a really awesome tattoo on his arm. So we were literally sitting right behind Ricky Rubio on the bench, and I remember I got the notifications like you have access to your Litecoin. I had like it was like I want to say like 35, 40 Litecoins, and it was at $350. I sold instantly. I didn't think about it. I sold. And I had like I had a crazy amount of money. I was like, this is crazy. I was like, what? And from then on out, I was already a finance major. It was already my plan to go into finance and like stocks and stuff. just because I was really good with numbers and it interested me, and I'm a very competitive person. So like that was like the route I knew I wanted to take, something that was challenging and that was rewarding. So that just really fueled it. But I ended up losing all that money back with crypto, because crypto, in my opinion, at the time was like a black hole. You saw that big crash. But that was my first trade ever. Richmond, Texas. I'm in like League City, Friendswood, Cash Monies. I have some friends that live in Sugar Land though. It's really close to you. And a friend that lives in Richmond. I'm glad you guys like the content. But like to really get into options and day trading, I think you do it with like 1,005. That's what I'm doing, the $1,000 challenge. It's less than I would like to do it with. I would like to start with like 2K, because you can like do a lot more trades and not open yourself up to so much risk. But whatever. I mean, I think 1.5 is a decent one. What's your biggest loss and what did you learn from it? Biggest loss was Disney. So I knew going into their earnings they were gonna have terrible earnings. They kind of had to run up into their earnings. This was a really good lesson too. So I put like $3,000 on my puts. I know, right? Crazy. So, but I was super confident, and I was right. The EPS blew. The revenue sunk. They both missed. But I learned something so valuable, that the outlook can outweigh terrible EPS and terrible revenue. Their outlook was so positive because of the release of Disney Plus, and I didn't think Disney Plus was that great from the outside looking in. But they saw the projected revenue numbers from Disney Plus, and if you know how Disney Plus has gone so far, then you know it's killing, right? It's holding their business afloat during this whole pandemic, actually making them more profitable. So who knows how much they're gonna be worth when the pandemic's over. So I lost like $2,700 and like by the next morning, so that was crazy. Oh yeah, he did. What did oh snap! I'm from Bacon League City. Awesome guys. I feel like I feel like a lot of people recognize me too, because I used to go to League City 24-hour fitness, play basketball a lot. I go to Lifetime Gym, so like I feel like a lot of people recognize me for that. What do y'all do when this market is closed? Any particular routine? Just downtime for me. Downtime. Sunday night, but I do a lot of live, so I'm always fresh with the market. I'm always researching, because especially now, because I'm doing videos like full time. This is my full-time job now, along with finishing up college. So I'm staying pretty fresh all the time. So yeah. You see, Becca, what do you think about FRX? I'm wishing I got into it, but I hate the business model. I hate like these fitness companies that are like, you know, apps and stuff. I hate them. Like Peloton, I can't stand them, but I know like they're worth money, so it's hard. Can we look at USO? It's gone down because oil fields in Texas are closed for the ice storm. So yeah. So yeah, I think oil's gonna do very well, but it might come down like to 39.40. But I still really like oil. I think Exxon and XLE are set to rip. Exxon may be a better play than XLE, but it looks really, really good. I think Oxy's a good play too. Yeah, petroleum. I think Exxon's probably the safest one though. I'm not big into psychedelics, to be honest. Kind of like personal, like just beliefs and stuff. I don't know. Maybe that's whack. I don't know. Just my opinion though. Making back my GME losses with crypto and Palantir. Palantir, dude, I'm telling you, that's a solid one. Palantir, I'm telling you, like just buy like under $30. I'm just buying and leaving, not touching it, right? IDEX, please. Okay, so you bought at 412. I think that was a good range. I wouldn't be too worried though. Like honestly, like yeah, we're dipped a little bit below. I don't know if you got options on it. That'd be the only concerning part. But I mean, look at how the indexes are moving, guys. Like, don't be like freaking out. Like, you know what I mean? Like, when you're watching stuff, especially if you're day trading, like this will become your best friend. If you ever want to like learn to day trade or get into day trading, you need to learn to look at the Nasdaq, look at the SPX, and look at the Dow, and just literally learn these. All you need to learn. These will tell you what you need to know. These will tell you how the day's moving. These will tell you if a stock's lagging behind. You know what I mean? So like if the Nasdaq's moving up, if this is trending upward, then you know tech is strong. Tech stocks are doing well. SPX, then you know like Tesla and those type of companies, Neo, all those are doing well too. Like, you know what I mean? So these are like gonna be your best friend. About thoughts on XLM? I'm not a huge crypto guy, especially these altcoins. PY. Flagging on the downside doesn't look bad. Flagging, if it gets above like 61 cents, I'd be considered buying it. Maybe it even holds above the VWAP. How's HCMC? I keep looking at these guys to buy. I really like it right here. It hit my entry, like the 36, 34 range. This is the entry range right here. Moving sideways now, love it. High possibility we start running here. How long did it take you to get the charts down? This is like my 5th year. I would say like three years to be really solid at it, for sure. Are you still bullish on AMC? Honestly, AMC, I'm telling you guys, if you keep watching, I'll have a video coming out tomorrow for sure, like tomorrow night. I'm telling, this is insane. The movement we're getting on AMC. I'll make a sundial video too, because I think sundial is gonna pop as well. Like honestly, this is insane. The madness. Like what the 2 weeks of solid just sideways movement. You look at GameStop, it's just trending, plummeting down. I think this looks amazing. I mean, no lie, I think this looks great. I mean, it could take you less. I just got caught up with a lot of stuff. I was trading crypto as well too. I think I took a big step when I got off of crypto and got into like foreign exchange and primarily trading metals and indexes. That's when I really started like to get better, because crypto it's so up and down and whack, and it's 24 hours. I think the 24 hours really messes with you, which forex and commodities and indexes can be as well. But with indexes and stuff, you only want to trade them at certain times. Keep giving me hope for AMC. Why screen gray out? Is it gray? What are you talking about? We changed this on stream. Everyone said like this color scheme better. So you haven't seen Bitcoin? What do you mean? Because Bitcoin went up a lot. Yeah, I've been talking about Bitcoin in all the lives. The fact that Bitcoin's trending and has been trending up, even though the Nasdaq was going down, had me extremely bullish on Bitcoin. So today when we got that upside on the indexes, obviously Bitcoin was set to soar. I think it hit 60K by the weekend. Really crazy. By Sunday night-ish. Also, guys, I appreciate the like button. Helps out so much. I try to do as much free content for you guys as possible. Almost every single night I'm going live, so support your boy. AMC price target Monday. I just want to see volume kick in. I don't have no specific target, but honestly, you want to start seeing it pump up. You want to start seeing it. If it starts moving, I think we get volume, we start flying. The question is, do retail start to move out of it? If retail starts to move out of it, I'd be concerned. Until then, let it fly. I say we let AMC fall more, than boom, we get it up. I'm mad at myself for selling NCTY too early. I don't think GME looks that good. GME doesn't look as good as AMC. AMC looks really good. AMC looks really good. So you think KDC has a great value investing, inflation, and will drive gold? Gold, I'm not crazy about. I'm not crazy about gold. When it comes to mining, I'm interested in lithium. Like MP, I made a video on MP a while back, like a week ago. This is where I made the video at 32. I said we're gonna push the all-time highs. I have to do this so you guys, because a lot of you guys don't like watch the videos sometimes, and I understand it can be rough. She looks fine as hell. I understand it can be hard to watch some of the videos. Neo is one I'm gonna keep blowing up you guys with, because I'm telling you it's gonna soar. Where's it at? I made MP a while back, right here, 1 week ago. Look where I mentioned it at, 32.27, 32.27. And I said we're gonna blow through the roof, blow this double top off. Boom, 45. I'm telling you guys. These mining plays are some of the best, kind of the safest plays there is. I know you're long on Palantir, but what do you predict the hits by the end of next week? That's so hard to say, man. I'm not short term on Palantir at all. I'm not short term at all. Sorry, man. All you gotta say is so. It's with the so. I love it a lot though. What are your top 3 favorite stocks for growth right now? For right now, I think Bloom is a great pick. Palantir at 25 was great. I still think it's a great play. So we're gonna say Palantir, Bloom for clean energy maybe. And number 3, it's between Neo and Corsair. I think both of them have a lot of room to run. There's some really good pickups right now. I think XPEV is really cheap. It's a little bit riskier, but Bloom, I think it's beat up. I think this is so beat up. Corsair, this is gonna fly. This is gonna soar next week. I think if indexes can stay even flat, Corsair flies, 100%. Indexes just have to stay flat. That's all they gotta do. That's gonna fly. Neo is so cheap. Neo is one of the cheapest stocks there is right now. It's so cheap. This is ridiculous. It's gonna beat earnings as well. So good, guys. What else? I think Peloton. I didn't put Peloton in there because it's not as beat up as the others, but I very well think Peloton could start pushing to all-time highs in no time at all, just because of their earnings. They did $1 billion in revenue, $1 billion for selling a bicycle, and they didn't even deliver them all. And they're not getting any refund requests. It's insane. What's bringing them down, honestly, is the supply chain issues, but it's not even affecting them in like a negative way. It's crazy. CGC can't stand canopy growth. Can't stand those guys. Sorry, bro. What do you think about CCIV? I was making videos the whole way up. I mean, you guys always ask about the stock after I make the video. Like after they fly, then y'all start asking me about the stock, right? So like, where's the CCIV video? I don't even know. Oh my gosh. So many AMC videos. Next target $50 2 weeks ago. I think it was at $40 right then. That's hilarious. Lucid Motors bullish a month ago. 400 views. Gosh, that's a kick in the groin. CCIV will run 20% this week. 1 week ago, probably ran 50%. It's hilarious. I don't know, like, guys, you gotta just look for the videos. Stop, I mean, I'm not like, you can ask me all you want here, but I'm just telling you, like, you know, I can only do so much. I bought the Peloton buy last year, didn't get it for 7 months. But guess what? You didn't ask for a refund, did you? Nope, you waited. John Hansen. What's John Hansen? I don't know what you're asking about. I saw it too. Trey went nuts about it. A really big deal in my opinion. What are you talking about? I know what you're talking about. I mean, I'm at 50 shares hard AMC. I love the news. You passed it. I bought a steak. Control F, find out easy. Good one, fan. Palantir, how long? 2 years plus. I mean, honestly, you can probably hold it. I think end of the year, it's almost $100 stock. Honestly, the earnings we're going to see in the next few quarters are going to be through the roof. Through the roof. I mean, you don't have to hold it that long. I think we get to all-time highs pretty soon on Palantir. So, I know it was free money when it was that low. It was free money, guys. I'm telling you. All I know is what color is the Lambo? The Lambo, dude, bro. Hey, when I get the Lambo, guys, I'm gonna make so many hype videos. MSFT. You think it also didn't check. I don't have videos on either one of those. No. Are they therapeutics? I like rarely make a video on a therapeutic. It looks like I got a ton of homework watching these vids. So like, okay, so that's the problem with my videos. I think. They don't have good shelf life, I guess. So it's like so I make a lot. I get it. I make quite a few videos. I get it. I was like pushing like 3 out a day. During the week, I'm gonna aim to have 3 every single day, no matter what. And then if I have an ad video, like I have like a promotion or a brand deal or something, I'll do that one in the morning. So I'll do 4 videos in a day if we include that one. And those ad deals, guys, though I'm never telling you to buy them, right? I just get paid from that, so it helps me run the channel and continue to do this free content and not have to charge for this type of stuff. You know what I mean? So if, like, you know, that's all I can say, right? But yeah. What's your goals with stocks? I mean, that's a silly question. I think that's a silly question. To make money? I don't know. Palantir CEO is very focused. I like it. I love Palantir. I love those guys. I love them. I cannot emphasize it enough. This girl is messaging me nonstop. Jesus. Like UAMY. So if I had to pick between UAMY and Sense, I don't know anything about these companies. Okay, so bear with me. I don't know what they do, anything. This looks like it wants to keep running. It's below the VWAP, so I think it has a little bit less bullishness. I think Sense looks pretty good, to be honest. Kind of, I hate saying it, but. How long do I plan on being an active investor? Probably till the day I die. I absolutely love this. I love being right. I love the repercussions of being wrong. I love everything to do with it. I love it. It's not even work. It's not work for me. UAMY is a mining company? Okay, well then you got me excited. I'll look into them. It since gets FDA approval, it probably soars, but I don't think it's that big of a deal what it is. I don't think it's a game-changing or a disruption stock, so be careful. What potential do you see with CTRM? CTRM looks decent. I got it at like 120. Could come down, so be careful. Probably have some tight stops. I'll probably move those stops up pretty high. I just like a moving sideways. Potential vessel stuff. Gabriel, appreciate the donation, Gabriel. Much love. Uranium went down 70% last days. I have calls expiring 319 on it. Okay, so it's all dependent on the market, right? This looks extremely bullish. Extremely. So this right here, I think on Monday we see a gap up to 610 easy. Quick targets. Now, unless the indexes skyrocket and they don't go down at all, right? And we just go straight up on the indexes, probably get rejected the first try. If you want, you can take profits there, right? That'd probably be safest bet. Typically, we don't break on the first try on these resistances. And then if you wanted, you could re-enter some calls. So you get a move up, and then maybe re-enter on a break back down, and then expand those call options for a few weeks out to let it ride more. That's the safest thing to do, and maybe even pocket some of the money. So totally up to you. I don't know what you want to do, but 608, 610 is gonna be a fat resistance, I think. And then from there, it's all-time highs. Naked update, please. I think Naked looks rough. The rejection from pre-Valentine's Day right there, the day before Friday. I think it's gonna come down. Doesn't look good. BFT, favorite stock in the world right now. Favorite long-term stock. Maybe Palantir might have took its spot for like a day. But BFT, I absolutely look. This is what it did right here. These 4 days. This is what BFT did when the rest of the economy was dropping. Now let me tell you something. That has me more excited than watching Cardi B drop it on Quavo in a strip club right there. This is what we love to see right there. You love to see it. I love it. Love it. Sens, if it gets FDA approval, it's probably gonna soar. I have heavy position to HCMC. I like it. So it hit the overall buys and now it's flatlining. This is what we wanted to see, this flat line right here. See how we got this here? This is what we want to see. Get back up to the VWAP. It could soar. It could make new highs. Just be careful. I mean, don't put anything in here you're not willing to lose. I'll just let it sit if you have it though. Just let it... Wop, Cardi B. Naked is rough. Big belly stocks, you're gonna get muted. I keep answering your question. If Sens gets FDA approval, it's just probably gonna go. I don't know where it's gonna go. It's a therapeutic. They pump up when they get those approvals. You're risking it though. You're risking money. NXTD, HCMC1. Let's look. You lying to me? Don't lie to me. I think you're lying. Why is there caps on? I don't see anything. I think he's lying. Yeah, I think you're lying. Yeah, I think he's lying. He's just hyping it up. RJ sold 1 million shares by Alaya. It's a cool name. Linko News. Is Palantir going to gap up or could I don't think it's gonna go back down. If it goes back down, I'll just add more. Do you think LCKO will reach 20 plus this year? A lot of people have been talking about them. I don't know about them though. I don't know what it is. What is it? L what? It's not popping up for me. That doesn't pop up for me. You spelling it wrong? I think it's this LKCO. Doesn't look bad. If it can get back above like the VWAP 230, I'd be interested in it. It looks solid though. BFT to the moon. BFT. I've been checking. Not here. NMDM. I like NMDM. It was a solid dip buy. Solid buy. I think it quickly gets back above 415. This was the buy range, like 13.4, 13.5 range. That was nice down there. This is a longer term play, buying and holding right now. If you're looking at it. SAMP with the blockchain Cardano. What? This is I don't know what this is. Looks really bullish. Oh, I think I already looked this one up. Do you know Shane McMahon is in? I didn't know that. Dude, everything to do with AMC, the everything to do with short interest, floats, all of it, it's in favor of the bulls. Okay, so like I cannot emphasize it enough. It's so heavily manipulated, it's not funny. Everything you're probably seeing is absolutely wrong. So like, even if it looks bullish, it's probably way more bullish than it actually seems. This right here is beautiful. I'm considering buying on Monday. I mean, you'll hear me live on Sunday night, so you hear my overall thoughts. But this looks really, really good. I mean, this is crazy. So, and I think the whole hearing stuff helped GameStop and AMC, to be honest. Neo is and was a steal. Still is a steal, I think. New to this stock coach platform. I use E-Trade. Oh no, this is not showing highs and lows. This is just pivot lines, and these are big supports and resistances. Those aren't highs and lows. They just respect these a lot. But this is trading view. This is where I do all my charting. Just need more volume. Yeah, once the volume's just kicking on, it's gonna, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna get crazy. We'll see. Boop hoop. What price are you gonna buy a BFT? I've been buying it all. I've already been buying it. This is the first dip I haven't bought it on because it didn't really dip. It looks so bullish. Every single time you see a mark is when I bought it. I bought it here, I bought it here, I bought it here. I bought it again here. I bought it right here on this dip. We obviously dipped more, but I bought some right there. I don't really care about GME. I'm watching AMC more. I could care less about GME. I appreciate the like button, guys. It really helps the channel, though. I really do appreciate it. Wing is a good dip buy. Good wings. What is that? Wingstop? What is wing? Sounds interesting. Wingstop. What is their earnings? Poop. Probably, maybe a good buy. I don't know. I don't really care about food places. Buy high, sell low. It's a motto. CTRM. Just raise your stops on it. Be careful there. Any ideas AMC peak of when it shoots? I think it could get, early next week it could be really bullish. I really do think so. It looks really good going into next week. ONTX? What is ONTX? I feel like I've heard, I know I hear about these all the time and I check them already, but it looks strong. Looks strong. Therapeutic. I just don't like therapeutics. So, you know. Thoughts on EHang? I think between them and UAVS, I like UAVS more. EHang is dangerous. I think it keeps coming down. UAVS, I think this was manipulation and kind of just trying to bring the sector down as a whole. I think it was a buy here at $10. I think it still is a buy. I love UAVS. I'll make a video on them pretty soon. Anyone know in the Coinbase IPO? I don't know a day, but that's gonna be a good IPO to buy probably. ETH 10K this year? Probably not. That'd be crazy. Ugh. How many subs are we sitting at? I want to get to 10K this weekend. Can we get to 10K subs this weekend, boys? 10K. That's what I want. I want it. We're at 94.48. Meh. That INEV video got no views. I promise INEV's gonna start taking off. Watch. Calling that right now. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be really funny when it takes off. Which more by Neo? Neo 100%. Come on, guys. Neo's 100% the better buy between CCIV. Look how beat up this is. They released their production numbers for quarter number 4. They're up, I think, 130% from last year. They're on pace to outproduce and sell Tesla in China, which is pretty huge. New factories rumored, like, God, so much stuff on Neo, so much. If I get okay, I'll make you a deal. Wait, 10K by what? 10K subs? I'm gonna hit 10K subs. That's not even a. If we get 20K subs, on the channel by March 1st, I'll buy $2,000 worth of Dogecoin and I'll hold it for a month at least, unless it goes up double in value. No, I'll hold it for at least 2 weeks, no matter what. I'll buy $2,000 worth of Dogecoin live. If we hit, I'll make it more realistic. If we hit, what are we at? Let's see. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos too. I think 20K. I want to set a pretty big. That's 2,000 of my own dollars. We're at like 95 right now. What's a good number? Okay, I'll say 16K. We hit 16K. I'll buy $2,000 worth of Dogecoin on stream, and I'll hold it for at least 2 weeks. 1 month. Okay, if we do 1 month, then we have to hit 20K. We hit 20K subs. I'll buy $2,000 worth of Dogecoin and hold it for a month. Nothing but Doge. I'll do it on stream. Y'all can watch, and then every night I'll show you guys how many Doge I have to prove it. $1 per sub. That's insane. I'm not that rich yet, buddy. That's insane. TSNP. I don't have any videos on it. I think it's a therapeutic. No, it's not. I don't know what a distribution service. I don't know what these guys are. I like this pullback though. This was nice. It looks good. Big resistance zone ahead of it, so watch out. When does short interest report come out? I think 2 weeks, a week and a half. Which video are you talking about? The INEV? Yeah, INEV. Yeah, Inuvo. I think it's gonna run. This I mentioned 140 was a buy, and we actually dipped to 140. I love it. You do you. I don't mind. I'll do it. I don't care. All day, all Doge, nothing but gain. I'll do it. I don't care. Who cares? Whatever. It's just money. I think next week we start seeing volume kicking on AMC. It looks really good. I'll make a video tomorrow on AMC, really detailing it. Where we're going. When would you say you're the biggest 3 buys going next week? I like Neo. I liked Palantir a lot. It's kind of run up a little bit more. Corsair is gonna be a big one. So let me say Corsair, Neo, and I like Peloton. Peloton's a riskier one, but I think there's a lot of upside. How about 2K shorting, Melvin? Just added 5 new super carriers last week. CTRM, yeah, I have some CTRM long term. I might raise the 2K on Doge. I might do like more. I don't know. We'll see. I just know how to. I want to make sure I have enough money. I'm just laying around to buy some Doge. You know what I mean? Question about Disney. Why is the outstanding flow 99% of the stock is only more? It's only talking more shares than AMC. I need to look into that, Gabriel. I don't know. It's weird. Best way to grow a small account. I mean, I'm doing the 1K. I'll do an update video tomorrow on the 1K challenge. So probably tomorrow's videos will be AMC, the 1K challenge video. What should the other one be? What should the other one be? Fisker. They're okay. They seem solid. They just have no like delivery dates set yet, so it doesn't have me excited. Always printing it, right? That's hey, it is what it is. What should the other video be? Because AMC, I think I need to make AMC. I haven't made one in like 3 days. So why do I like Corsair? Okay, so why do I like Corsair so much? Good question. You know, I wait for you guys to ask these questions, so I don't answer them. Why is it misspelling this? Oh, 1 day ago, no one's talking about it. This is what your favorite YouTubers aren't talking about. Because let me tell you something. They're not trading real stocks. They're just finding penny stocks and just praying, okay? Like, oh, it's infuriating. So basically, you can go read about this. I'm not going to read this whole article to you guys and bore you to death. But basically, Biden's saying that he's reviewing the order to help the production of semiconductors because they're pretty big to the industry right now and they're hurting really bad. The production, at least, or the cost of them, especially with China and stuff. So he's going to help with the production cost, and this would make them soar. Corsair, looking at the valuation of it, absolutely brutally getting, you know, gaped. It's holding very strong, that $38, $39 range. Holding, I bought a lot of calls today. Telling you I'm loving it. Loving it. I don't have any AMC any AMC shares. I'm very transparent on the channel. I tell you in the video if I have shares, or if I'm playing options, or if I'm not touching it. And I even tell you in the beginning if it's an ad video. I only have one ad video on my account so far. And I make sure, if you guys think that this is like, in any way me doing ads on the channel, which I'm telling you it's a promotion, I tell you in the video, take it with a grain of salt. I tell you if I don't even like the company. You know what I mean? I mean, in the promotion video, I literally said, like, guys, this probably won't happen. I said, like, a lot of stuff, like, this news probably won't even happen, right? I mean, I couldn't believe that they approved it. I sent them, because I remember last night, because I had my son and he was feeling sick, so I stayed up till like 11:30 with him, and then I made the video at midnight to 2 a.m. I sent them the video, they messaged me back at 5:30 a.m. and approved it. I was like, I couldn't believe they approved it. I was like, y'all just approved that video? I was like, okay, whatever. And that was it. I was like, cool. Like, whatever. So, like, they pretty much give me free reign. I just can't break any SEC rules saying buy this stock, yada, yada, yada. But, like, that's not what it is. They just want to get the stock's name out there. So, cool. What's your take on taking options? I trade a lot of options. I trade a lot. Or if instead of buying Doge, okay, I'll make it more interesting. We get to 20K, but then AMC might run. Okay, if we get to 15K by next Friday, on the channel, I'll buy $2,000 worth of AMC as well. 15K by next Friday, we'll buy 2K worth of AMC. Call options. I'll go big on call options. I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna hold those though. That's crazy. That's a big one. That's kind of scary. That's probably like just burning money. Well, you have to make some type of money for the channel, so do you, man. Holding and like a couple across a few platforms AMC right now. I'm just chilling, bro. People can't. I know, dude. I'm telling you, AMC's gonna move. It's gonna move. I almost feel like it's not even like a gamble putting money into it. So much upside probably. I swear I will. Have I lied, guys? Have I lied on this channel? Have I lied once? If AMC runs next week, it's totally Tyler's fault. I might be seeing. I mean, everyone and their mom is on my AMC though, so I doubt it. But we'll see. Wish I could subscribe more than once. I promise though, if we hit 15K, I mean that's 5K in a week. That'd be insane. I'll pump videos out there like crazy this week to help you guys out. But if we hit 15K, I will buy immediately as soon as possible, 2K worth of call options, and I'll do a. This is scary. Okay. I'll do 2 weeks out call options, and I have to hold for at least 2 days. At least 2 days I have to hold. I don't know why you guys think I won't do it. And, okay, I'll make it even more interesting. If we make money off the AMC options, I will donate half of whatever I make and make a YouTube video about it. Actually, scratch it. I'll donate every dollar I make and make a YouTube video on it. However much we make. I'll document it all. I don't care. Good insurance course here at the current price. Yeah, I bought in a little bit higher than this, like at 39.10 or 39.20 range. So yeah. 1 year out, save your money. No. It's for the people. It's for the boys. It's for the boys. Donate to Chicken Dinner Fund, bro. Dude, we'll buy canes for everyone in Walmart. Donate to your kid. Dude, my boy Truth is already balling. Don't worry about him. He's good. Truth's taken care of. Bro, we ain't gorillas in here, baby. We ain't silverbacks. I don't know what we are. I don't know what we are yet. All right, retail will be holding. Wait for the highest. Tandy's with the ranch. That's honestly like, someone said, "What's my goal at stocks?" I want to have a ranch pretty bad, and not like a cowboy ranch. I just want to have like a lot of land. And dude, I don't care what we do. I'll let you guys decide. We'll do it live. I don't care. It's getting squeezed. I'm telling you, we hit 15. I want to do it. We hit 15K by next Friday. The second we do it, I'll put 2K into AMC. Guaranteed. Call options, 2 weeks out. I'll buy a Walmart. Prediction price Corsair next week. Oh, man. So, okay, so with Corsair, Neo, Palantir, what are we talking about? This is what it's dependent on. It's on the Nasdaq and SPY. Can they bounce back up? I think they will. I think index will start to bounce back next week. If they start bouncing, I think Corsair can fly. If Biden announces any positive news, I think they fly. Huge amounts of room. Short term would be 41, then we could probably see like 43, 44 range. And after that, it could keep running, to be honest. I really like it. I think there's lots of room. So that would really suck though, I'm not gonna lie. Like it would hurt to like make some money and like make like 10, 15 grand to donate it all. I mean, it feel good, but like, dang, it'd be in my pocket. But like I said, I don't really care about money, to be honest. It's whatever. Why are you saying if we do it? If it happens, you literally will not be able to buy a share against it. AMC, that is. You think I should buy SPY in March? Hey, sounds good, man. I've been looking at it. Buy new sweaters with your earnings. Bro, I'm a big sweater fan. Oh, but that green one, that's the only reason I wear them in the videos is because I feel like a lot of my other clothes or jackets in particular. First of all, y'all hate my hoodies. I've seen so many negative comments of me wearing hoodies in my videos. So I'm like, I won't wear my hoodies. I'd buy call options. I think I would be able to. E-Trade doesn't have any problems for me personally. If you're trading on Robinhood, you know, anything can happen over there, boys. Be careful. I'm a man of my word. I told you guys I would stream at least till midnight tonight. I was a little late though. Will you pull up a chart for Facebook, please? Yeah, I know a lot of people are trading that one. I mean, the past 2 days I've been chilling. Like, honestly, I'm not pushing the market or anything crazy. I'm just like, this is long-term buys. Yeah, we got this little dip into here. YouTube isn't letting me send a link. Go on Finbox outstanding shares. Gabriel, go to the, dang it. Let me send you, I'll post a Discord link. And message me on Discord. Dude, Gabriel with the donations today, supporting the fam. Everyone, that's the Discord link if you want it. Go option for funding on my statement. Ape Strong, best gift from mine. Colton Edward. I get it though. I mean, I get it. I don't care. I think like, I mean, I get it. Like, you want to look kind of decent in your stuff. I don't know. What should I do with CSR? I want to buy some. Do whatever you want. I love it. I think it's at a good value. I mean, do your own due diligence, but like, I love it. With the Biden stuff going on, I mean, look up Joe Biden semiconductors. Just read about it. Looks really good. What should I do with yours? Alright, I read that one. Go. Did you send me a message or no? Go on Finbox outstanding shares. I don't know why my browser always changes to Yahoo. Pisses me off. Dang. I hate reading while I'm on on live stream. Yeah, that is wild, man. That is so wild. That is insane. That is so wild. I think it's gonna fly, dude. I think AMC is gonna fly. They're gonna lock that crap up. Am I doing this right? I just like this donk. AMC. Anthony, look at the boys coming in. I appreciate the love. I type fast. I know I look like a douchebag. I know I look like a jock. I mean, I did play a lot of sports growing up, but all me and my friends were big nerds. That's all we did. Neo, very underrated. Rocket, I'd be careful. People don't like the housing market sector, even though it's doing very well. You pull options on AMC, you just have stocks. I don't have any AMC at all right now. Like I said, in every video I make, I tell you if I have stock or if I don't have stock. And if I don't mention it that I don't have stock, if I don't mention anything, I definitely don't have it, right? But I am very purpose because basically, because I'm never going to tell you to buy a stock. You need to do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'll say, I have this stock. I bought this stock. So, like, do what you want with that information. Yes, I know. They're all so manipulated, Tyler Durden. Yes. I enjoy watching your stream the most when you get pissed at people in your chat. People piss me off. I am so drunk only because of the AMC news. I don't think people get it. Anthony, I agree. It's getting ridiculous. AMC is going to be wild. It's crazy that we saw a GameStop, and I think we're going to see AMC do something crazy. You want one of my AMCs? I'm telling you, boys. I mean, we honestly might not even hit 15K, and I still might do it, just for the hype, and just record it. I don't care. Jock nerd vibe is just a hair different. nerd vibe. Yeah, all we did in high school, played basketball and played World of Warcraft. That's all we did. And Diablo 3. That was when Diablo 3 you could sell your stuff for real money. That was cool. That was fun. Will Sunday average $5 by the end of the year? I don't think so. That'd be wild if it did. I think we had the short squeeze on it. Honestly, this was it. Right here, boom, that was it. I think it's a good value though. I thought this was the great buy zone, the 120, like 130 range. I made the video on it multiple times that was going there. Flagging, perking back up, probably hit like 170, 180. I think a good target short term is 230 though. Good target. What do you mean, what's my take on sleds? Like working out with sleds, or what is sleds? What are you talking about, sleds? Yeah, D3. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw the new D2 remastered. Looks really good, the trailer for it. Dude, we were gods at Diablo 2, at Diablo 3. We were so good. I remember, like, man, yeah, when we played, that's when, like, Ubers was actually, like, challenging to do and get the keys and stuff, and it, like, took time. It was a lot. Yeah. No, I don't do anything. I don't have time. I'll probably get back into it. Honestly, I'm probably going to play the new Amazon one. Oh my gosh. New World, when this comes out, I'll probably play it. But hopefully, like, I'm done with school. I need to finish school first. Like, with school and work, I have no time. I have no life right now. Like, at all. I only buy games I can only play. Yeah, I think GameStop's business model is, I think it's dead, to be honest. Like, the best experience I can use is when I took my nephew in there at Christmas, like 2 Christmases ago. He didn't get that much stuff for Christmas, and he was like all sad, or he didn't get what he wanted. So I was like, okay, I'll take you. I'll go buy you a game. So I took him in there, I think, to buy Luigi's Mansion for his Nintendo Switch, and they sold me a digital copy at the store. I was beyond mad. I've never been so mad in my life. I was so mad. So there's a new Diablo. There's like a Diablo Inferno. There's a mobile one that's stupid. And then there's like Diablo 4. I think the Diablo 4 is going to suck. But Diablo 2 remastered looks really, really, really good. Diablo 2 remastered. It's basically like Diablo 3, but a little bit better graphics. But it's the same Diablo 2 game. So it's going to be nice. Yeah, they're bringing back Thief and Rogue. It's gonna be nice. I agree. Thoughts on Psalm? Thank you for tagging. It's easier when you tag me, to be honest. Oh, here we. I think I made someone mad. Nietzsche kicks. I don't know what that means. No way, GME is that. I always see a line of GME at their mall at like at least 9 people. Well, if you look at their earnings, their revenue, their EPS over the past like 5 years, you know, you can talk about their line. But let's talk about Amazon. Let's talk about the e-commerce brands. Let's talk about going into the Sony store and buying a video game from the Sony store in seconds rather than leaving your house. Like, I get the experience. I get it, like, during the holidays. Like, if you're a boomer and you don't know how to do all that stuff. I get it if you want to wrap it up. But let's be real. I'm just saying. Oh, and no, NCAA comes out. They're making the new one for 2021 or 2022. It's coming out. The new NCAA is coming out. Yes, Fonzie remastered D2. It looks so good. Go look it up. Go look it up. They just dropped the yeah, yep, go look it up. Solid. That's the complaint line. I'm telling you guys, if you really think that, like, it's not, come on, let's be real. Like, let's. But, like, I would love to be wrong. I would love to be wrong. So, like, I don't mind being wrong. Like, you can argue with me if I sound mean, I don't mean to sound mean, but like I just get like kind of like I like to have a good argument. I like it. Did I pull out a Palantir? What? What do you mean? Did I pull out a Palantir? What are you talking about? So my friend actually had options. He bought options yesterday for $40. They were $40 each. He bought 10 of them. They were $40, and today he sold them for $240 each. Oh, he bought 10. Oh my gosh, crazy. You play Ghost of Tsushima? No, I didn't play it now. And lately, I haven't been playing any games like the past few years. Last game I played was Elder Scrolls Online, like beginning of college before I had my son. The trade and resale, it is a cheat code. Give you $5 for 26 games. You're probably right, Lazy. But look, I mean, look at the charts. They're different now. They were doing the same thing, but GME's breaking down. AMC is not. Any recommendation for semiconductors with the shortage apart from AMD? My favorite play in semiconductors is not a recommendation. Do your own due diligence. I love Corsair. I bought some call options here for mid-March. Do whatever you want, though. Alright, guys, it's like 12 o'clock. Probably have to go to my parents and get my son. He's been chilling with them for a little bit. He loves my mom. She's like best friend in the world. Did my friend buy and sell? Well, he had his options for today. He bought them yesterday at close and sold them today at open. So he had to. Who's gonna let them expire? Probably could have made more money. You should put a gaming and workout tab in the Discord. A lot of people like the game, stay healthy and make money. I'm working on something. Did he say anything about the 99? Yes, so AMC guys, like this shouldn't surprise you. They're like, I know I've been making videos. This is the best thing about AMC. Forget the 99% float, the technicals and all that crap. We knew the numbers were terrible, right? There isn't no surprise. If you watch any of my AMC videos, you know I know these numbers are just they're terrible. Everything, all the numbers to do with AMC are just botched. They're awful. They're fake, they're manipulated, we don't know anything. They're probably way worse than what they're being showing us. Okay? The short interest is not 15%, it's not even 40, it's way higher than that. I can almost guarantee, I'd be willing to bet like my left foot on it. Like I think it's ridiculous. So like honestly, like so I know we're all stuck in the 99. I probably use clickbait for the 99% whatever short float or whatever it is, but I'm telling you, the fact that we are moving sideways has me so excited, guys. This is why I was so bullish on Sundial. I'm telling you, we were pinching sideways. This was only for like a week, not even. AMC 2 weeks in this range, two weeks, and your favorite YouTuber probably isn't talking about it either. I'm telling you, indexes start to soar. I really think volume can kick in here. I feel really good about it. And no one's talking about Sundial or all these weed stocks. Money can start flowing very quickly back into this. It's good we're seeing weed stocks plummet. It's good we're seeing all these other hype stocks kind of go down. I'm telling there's a high possibility volumes to kick in here. Very, very high. Telling you. Yeah, just read the titles. That's it. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off though. I will be back. I'm gonna try to make some videos going into tomorrow for sure. At least I'll try to do 3. The goal for tomorrow is an AMC video, of course. I'll try to get an AMC video done for tomorrow night. The 1K challenge, it's gonna be a bearish video that I had because I lost money. I'm like down 35% on the account. I'm just gonna go over the trades, go over my thought process. Honestly, being down 30% after this past week, it's not bad. I mean, I'm kind of okay with that. Is there another stock you guys want me to cover tomorrow? I'm willing to let you guys pick right now. Anything you want me to cover tomorrow? Any stock? Because right now it's AMC, the 1K challenge, and then something else. I am the man. You're welcome, brother. Is there a stock you guys want me to cover? I can try to find a sleeper. I don't mind trying to find us a sleeper. I don't like DPW. I know you guys. I made a CTRM video already. I can make a BFT. It's not that big of one though. High tide. HCMC. I think Corsair is a really good one to make. Personally, I think it's a really good one to make. But it's not gonna get that many views, so I don't care. It's up to you guys. Sundial. I'm never making a Tiller video. I hate that stock. Find a sleeper. We are your flock. That's gonna get me sued by the SEC. D's nuts. Find a sleeping dragon. I think I will. I think I'll find a sleeper tomorrow. I'm feeling good about a sleeper. Something cheap that will go up. I like UAVS. Sean, I like that one a lot. I do like it. I like that one a lot. Anything blockchain. Blockchain, they really ran up. That's the only problem. I don't want to make a video on those right now. Joshua, no links are going to come up in the chat. You have to send it to me in the Discord. We'll do... I might do UAVS and Corsair. I might make a combo video on those two. I really like UAVS. I'm going to be adding it to a long-term portfolio. I'll figure it out. Love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Be safe.